As part of the research method, the data scientist further explained that they need more data points to test their hypothesis. She would definitely need access to data. With a functional analyst, the data scientist went to the data steward of the customer and sales data. As the data keeper, the data steward asked both on what data they would need and why. She scrutinized their request and questioned the need for sensitive, personally identifiable information, that is, data that could point to a single known person. Based on her evaluation, she determined that such information as name, tax identification number, and actual birth month and date will not matter in the project. The data scientists agreed, and they were then given the needed data. Using her skills in statistics and analytics methods and algorithms, the data scientist went on and trained and tested her model to determine whether gender, generation, location, and income level do affect a customer's decision to buy. And if they do affect decision making, to what degree do they affect that decision? After several iterations, the data scientist was able to come up with a formula to score a potential customer's decision to buy. In her formula, she determined that gender, generation, and income level contributed equally to the decision-making process of customers, but that location doesn't matter at all. Furthermore, the formula suggests that millennials would be their most likely customers. Having only basic domain experience in marketing and retail, the data scientist conferred with the functional analyst. Upon seeing the result, the functional analyst got excited as her hunch was correct. Furthermore, based on her domain expertise, she did feel that millennials would be their most likely customers. At least now, she has data to back her intuition. The functional analyst went on and set up a meeting with her department head to present their findings. With the help of the data scientist, she created a presentation with easy-to-understand visualization that is focused on their message, "We need to target millennials." The presentation included a high-level view of the research method that was done, but it was not technical or even mathematical, as this will not have any use for the department head. At the end of the meeting, the department head congratulated the functional analyst and the data scientist for the presentation. She was very impressed, and she also felt that what they presented made sense, basing also on what she has observed. She also just needed data to back what she observed. And now that she has, she invited the functional analyst and the data scientist to a meeting with Aling Maria herself. On the day of the meeting, quite nervous but also confident of the output of their small project, the team presented their findings. They started with echoing their company's goal, which is to increase market share. They then presented their research study on which customer segment to attract, discussed their findings, and towards the end, connected back their project to the company's overall goal. Quiet, but listening intently the whole time, Aling Maria just smiled and gave 2 thumbs up. She gave the marketing department the green light to proceed and even directed them to see what other data they should consider to achieve their goals.